To watch all our videos, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click all. Now navigate to the settings of your mobile phone. Go to apps and notifications. Notifications. YouTube, and make sure all the options on the right are turned on. Hello and welcome. In this video, we will look at the usages of you, we and they. You is neenu or neevu in Kannada. Neenu or neevu. Neenu is used to address people who are younger than you or people who you know very well or your friends. Neevu is used to address elders or strangers. We is navu. Navu. They is avaru. Avaru. All right. Now let us see a few examples and try to translate it into Kannada. You are Raju. You are Raju. Neenu or neevu Raju. Neenu or neevu Raju. There is no suffix for R in Kannada. Okay, when you are talking about names or professions. You are Rani. You are Rani. Neenu or neevu Rani. Neenu or neevu Rani. Now this neenu and neevu does not depend on the gender of the person. It is same if the person is male or female. You are a doctor. You are a doctor. Neenu, neenu. Obba is there. A is obba. I have skipped it. Neenu, doctor. Doctor. You are doctors. You are doctors. Neevu doctors. Doctor is an English word. So if you directly use the English word, then you can directly write doctors itself. Neevu doctors. Or if you want to use the Kannada word for doctor, Kannada word for doctor is Vaidya, and Vaidyaru means doctors. Vaidya is doctor, Vaidyaru means doctors. So neevu Vaidyaru. Neevu Vaidyaru. We are doctors. We are doctors. Navu doctors. Navu doctors. Or Navu Vaidyaru. Vaidyaru. All right. Now let us negate it. By now you must be knowing how to negate a sentence. To negate a sentence, you must add a suffix Allah. Allah at the end of the sentence. Okay. You are not Raju. You are not Raju. Neenu Raju Allah. Or neevu Raju Allah. This suffix Allah at the end means not or are not. Clear? You are not Rani. You are not Rani. Neenu or Neevu Rani Allah. ನೀನು ಆರ್ ನೀವು ರಾಣಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ನೀನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ ನೀವು ವೈದ್ಯರು ಅಲ್ಲ. So Allah, adding Allah at the end makes it a not, negating sentence. We are not doctors. We are not doctors. ನಾವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ ನಾವು ವೈದ್ಯರು ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ವೈದ್ಯರು ಅಲ್ಲ. Now, asking a question. Are you Raju? Are you Raju? ನೀನು ರಾಜು ನಾ. ನೀವು ಆರ್ ನೀನು ರಾಜು ನಾ. So adding the suffix na at the end makes this a question. Okay. So there are many suffixes na, va, ya. So I hope you have seen the video about the suffixes. Okay. Here in this case for Raju we have na. Na. So adding this na at the end makes this a question. If you remove na at the end, then all we have is Neenu Raju, which translates to English as you are Raju. All right. Are you Rani? Are you Rani? Neenu Rani ya or Neevu Rani ya. So adding this suffix ya at the end makes this a question. Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? Neenu or Neevu doctore. Neenu or Neevu doctore. Doctore. Adding this a, e at the end makes this a question. Are you doctors? Are you doctors? Neevu doctorse. Neevu doctorse or Neevu doctorsa. That can also be used. Or Neevu vaidyare. Neevu vaidyare. Next, are we doctors? Are we doctors? Navu doctors a or Navu vaidya re. So adding this a at the end makes this a question. All right. Next, negating the question. Are you not Raju? Are you not Raju? Neenu or Neevu Raju allave or alve or alva, as we have seen in the previous video. Okay, this is one more way of asking the question. Alva is perfectly right. Neevu Raju alva or Neevu Raju allave. So if you find it difficult to remember this, you can use the suffix that we have studied in previous video. Are you not Rani? Neenu or Neevu Rani alve. Alve is are you not? Are you not? Are you not a doctor? ನೀನು or ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲವೇ or ಅಲ್ವೇ? Are you not doctors? ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲವೇ or ಅಲ್ವೇ? or ನೀವು ವೈದ್ಯರು ಅಲ್ಲವೇ or ಅಲ್ವೇ? Are we not doctors? ನಾವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲವೇ or ನಾವು ವೈದ್ಯರು ಅಲ್ಲವೇ? Now, usage of you, we, they with feeling, state and location. You is ನೀನು or ನೀವು in Kannada. We know this, right? We have studied about this. When you comes, the helping verb are comes, and whenever you use ನೀನು or ನೀವು, you have to use the suffix ಇದ್ದೀಯ or ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. When you use ನೀನು, you have to use ಇದ್ದೀಯ. When you use ನೀವು, you have to use ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. We is ನಾವು. We have seen this. We is ನಾವು. And when we use we, the helping verb are comes. And here the are is ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. So when you use ನಾವು, we have to use ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. We cannot use this or this with we. When we use they, which is ಅವರು, the helping verb are is ಇದ್ದಾರೆ in Kannada. So when you use ಅವರು, you have to use the suffix ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. You cannot use ಇದ್ದೇವೆ or this and this with they. Alright? Now, it is better you write this in a separate sheet of paper because we'll be practicing with this in the next slides. Now, you are happy or we are happy or they are happy. So here you write the corresponding word of you, we or they. You is ನೀನು or ನೀವು. ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ. ಖುಷಿ is happy. ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ, ಯಾಗಿ is the extra connecting word. ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ. So when you use you, what do we use here? ಇದ್ದೀಯ. If you use ನೀನು, ನೀನು. If you use ನೀನು, at the end we must use ಇದ್ದೀಯ. If you use ನೀವು, ನೀವು, at the end we must use ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. So ಇದ್ದೀರಿ means are or ಇದ್ದೀಯ means are. Alright? We, we. So you know the word for we, ನಾವು. So the sentence starts with ನಾವು. ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ, and it must end with the word for are in Kannada. ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. They are happy. They. ಅವರು, ಅವರು. ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ. ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So this must come with this. Alright? Now, practice the same with this and this. You are fat, we are fat, they are fat. You are at home, we are at home, they are at home. So this is the word for fat, dappa, and this is word for at home, maneyalli. All right. Now once again, so we are picking up from the lesson that we have learned till now. If you are negating the sentence, illa will be the suffix that will be used at the end of all the sentences. So illa will be used at the end of all the sentences. Now, only thing that is left is to fill the first word, and this will be different according to you or we or they. For you or we or they, the suffix is same, illa, which says not. Okay. So you are not happy. Neenu or neevu ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. We are not happy. ನಾವು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. They are not happy. ಅವರು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. All right. In the same way, fill up these two. Fill up these two. Next, you is neenu or neevu, and if you want to ask a question, then R will be iddiya or iddira. Okay, and these two has to go with this and this. So if you use neenu, you use iddiya. If you use we, ನಾವು, we use iddeva. If we use they, ಅವರು, we use iddara. And this is to ask a question. Okay. Now let us see the examples. Are you happy? You are asking someone, are you happy? Or are we happy? Or are they happy? Now, how to ask this in Kannada? Neenu, you, or neevu, you, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೀಯ ಇದ್ದೀಯ ನೀನು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೀಯ, ಆರ್ ನೀವು ನೀವು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Now this is asking a question whether you are happy or not. Not or not, it is just asking, are you happy? Are you happy? Are we happy? Are we happy? ನಾವು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೇವ ಇದ್ದೇವ. Are they happy? Are they happy? ಅವರು ಅವರು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ. Question. Now practice these two. Okay, you have to, it is very simple, you have to use the word for you, we, they here and are here. All right. Now negating the question. For negating the question, the suffix is the same for all. All right. And it is ilva. Ilva. Ilva is are not. Are not. Okay. Now, are you not happy? Are you not happy? So, neenu or neevu ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಆರ್ ವಿ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ? ನಾವು ನಾವು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಆರ್ ದೇ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ? ಅವರು ಅವರು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ವಾ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Okay. In the same way, fill up these two. All right. Now, you becomes ninage or nimage. We becomes namage. And they becomes avarige. You becomes ninage or nimage, we becomes namage, they becomes avarige. And with these, the suffix would be agide, agide, which is r, okay, which means r. So along with all these comes agide or r. Now when does you becomes ninage, or when does we becomes namage, or when does they become avarige? It becomes when you are talking about mood or feeling. All right. Now, you are hungry. You are hungry. Now, you, what is you? Ninage or nimage. Ninage is used once again if the person is younger than you, or if you know the person, if he is your friend. Nimage is used if the person is unknown to you or your elder. So ninage, hasivu, hasivu, and the suffix is agide for all, right? So ninage, hasivu agide. So you are hungry. We are hungry. We are hungry. We are hungry. For we have the word namage. Namage hasivu agide. Agide. They are hungry. They are hungry. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹಸಿವು ಹಸಿವು ಆಗಿದೆ 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 or ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. In some cases it will be ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. All right. Negating the question. For negating we have the suffix agilla. Agilla, and this agilla is for all, you, we and they. So there is no change here. Only thing that changes is you, we or they. So you are not hungry is nimage hasivu agilla, or ninage hasivu agilla. We are not hungry. ನಮಗೆ ಹಸಿವು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Or they are not hungry is ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹಸಿವು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. All right. In the same way, fill up these two. Here it will be ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, feeling. ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Asking a question, are you hungry, or are we hungry, or are they hungry? Now the suffix is agideya for all. Agideya, agideya, ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ. All right. And I think you know what to fill here. So go ahead and fill with the words for you, we and they. The suffix will remain same as agideya. Next. Are you not hungry? Are you not hungry? Negating the question. Are we not hungry? Are they not hungry? Once again, you fill this first word with the words for you, we, or they. The last is agillave. The suffix is agillave for all. For this also it is agillave. For this it is anisutillave. Anisutillave. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.